Hi, this is Yolanda Van Veen, and I'm here with some tips on how to grow double knockout roses. Now, knockout roses are the rave right now, and they're so easy to grow. They're disease resistant, they don't get black spots. You can put them pretty much anywhere, and they'll grow like a big bush and continue to bloom summer through fall. And they're very easy to grow as long as you put them in a sunny spot with good drainage, and here and there just trim them back. So the best tip is every spring, trim back your knockout roses to about 18 inches above the ground. And by just trimming them down that one time a year, they'll fill in and be really beautiful. Now you can fertilize with anything that's a nitrogen-based fertilizer in the spring, but make sure if you're fertilizing through the summer that you make sure it's a phosphate-based fertilizer, because that's what will make more blooms. But in the end, I don't fertilize my knockout roses at all. They have really good composted soil and they grow really well with hardly any care. So my tip is get a knockout rose, put it in a sunny spot, water it here and there, especially that first year. Once the roots are set, ignore it, and you can enjoy it for years and years and years.